Today's format's going to be a little different. I'm going to show you how I like to fold up my extension cords. I learned this when I was in construction many eons ago, and I've never found a better way to put my extension cords together. It keeps them compact, and then you can use them very easily after folding them this way. So I don't know if you guys have done this before, but this is the way I fold up my extension cords. So here's your typical little small kind of shorter one here, and then here's kind of a longer one right here. What I like to do is double up the longer ones, and then maybe just use a single, I put them together and I put it in a single way, but you can double them up as well. So I'll show you both ways that I do this. So now I'm going to show you how I take them apart, and then I'll put it together, and I'll show you how I put these together a little closer to the camera. So there's a way that I like to put my cords together. They are really easy to hang, and they won't fall apart on the wall either. They'll stay really tight and easy, like you saw the way I just pulled them apart, really easy. And so I hope that helps you guys out. Please like and subscribe, and talk to you on the next one.